Welcome back, my DIY nomads. I hope you're all doing really well today. It is me. Distant memory. I'm really sorry no content's been going up on the channel. I might have mentioned in a video before, I've got a kid on the way, and the kid is coming in 2 weeks. Yeah, so kid is in 2 weeks. So I've really been prioritizing family and other stuff like that, getting the business into a good position for me to, you know, be away for a little bit. So I'm really sorry there hasn't been video content out, but I've got to prioritize family and my business over the YouTube stuff right now. That does not mean the channel is dead, but what I will do is just show you the backside of the van. There is no more bed. I'm working through this, but basically with the new arrival coming, that system doesn't work anymore because we've got to go away with the dog, with me, with Soph and the baby. Why did I prioritise the dog in front of all of us? I have no idea. So the back area is going to become like a really cool new seating area, like actually modular, and it's going to go against my good old saying of having a full fixed bed. I love having a full fixed bed, but I've come up with a really clever design that I'm pretty sure I'll be able to make the bed in like 7 seconds, even though it will be bench seating. And that's 7 seconds, like, even with the mattress as it is being like wrapped in a sheet and like just being able to sleep on it straight away. So I have got a cool plan for that. One thing I will just quickly show you is me and Ben and another guy called Ash have been putting in loads of work into the unit. So our CNC machine is now in the corner, and we've got this really cool layout now. We've got all of our stuff on the wall over here, way more bench space over here on the wall. It's all topographical on the wall there. The main reason for this video was just so you guys could see my ugly mug and everything, and also know that I'm not just disappeared to the deepest depths of the earth, but also there's a potential new campervan festival starting up in my local area. Ironically, the guy that's organising it, I did some work on his horse box, and he just mentioned it. And he didn't necessarily reach out, but he was talking about it, and I got really enthusiastic about it. And so this isn't a paid ad or anything like that. I'm not getting any money for this. I just thought that I would mention it to you guys, that there's a new campervan festival starting up, and it's down here in Dorset, if you'd like to know a sort of countrywide specific on where we're going, and going to start out quite humble beginnings, you know. All these shows start out with very humble beginnings, whether it's just 10 vans in a field and it goes bigger from there. But according to the actual guy organising it, it's not just going to be 10 vans in a field, it's actually going to be starting out a pretty decent size. So please, if you're around and free for the time, the website is South Coast Family Events. I put all the links in the description below. Check it out. It could be really exciting. This could be something that grows to be as big as Camp Quirky, and I've loved the idea of having something like that size down here in the south. It would just be really cool. Also, me and Ben will be around at the show, so we would love to come see all of your vans, chat to all of you, see what amazing things all of you guys do, because you guys always blow out of the water with all of your conversions. I love the creativity I've seen from some of the people at these shows. You guys are absolute geniuses with some of the designs. But yeah, it's a short video. It was a quick update, and there is content to come. And there's also a show to come, and I plan to have all this work done by that show. So I haven't got a lot of time, and there's a lot of things going on. I'm going to stop rambling and shut my gob now. So please check it out if you're around. I would love to see you guys down there. And yeah, I'll catch all of you DIY nomads next time.